What is the name of the tool? The name of the power tool shown in the video is an impact wrench. Although the one you're seeing is a cordless electric model, they also commonly come in pneumatic and corded electric versions. Cordless offers superior portability for technicians and field work. Pneumatic versions, powered by compressed air, are known for delivering the highest torque in professional settings like garages. Corded electric models offer consistent, fade-free power for extended use, balancing performance and ease of use.